Hi guys, so today we are at Alibag Devtanda and I'm with Jignasha and her assistant Monica and we are shooting for an amazing photographer. This place is epic, you guys. Wait, I'll show you. Can you see that? So beautiful. So we're going to be shooting some kind of, tropical look and really cool beachy vibes, there's beach around here. तो मेरा थोड़ा मेकअप हो चुका है and we are going to have food now. I want to show you guys this wadi. Say hi, guys. Oh, let's
See,
look
this
at
is
what we
prawns.
have.
This is prawns curry,
Yum.
omelette,
Pomfret.
chapati, rice, dal,
Nice.
achar.
Let's eat. So our lunch is done and now I'm going to finish my makeup and I'm really excited to see how it looks. So stay tuned. So the final look reveal. And this is how I look. I love it. So we are heading towards the place where we are shooting. I'll catch you guys later. This place is so beautiful. So our first half of the shot is done. We are changing the location. JD, my boyfriend is holding the reflector for me, for us. Such a cool place. So I'm done with my first look and I'm moving for the next one. Next look reveal. I love it. Thanks, Jigs. Let's go. Baby, baby. Tera ni ve lover. So we are done with, we are done with look 2 and I'm happy. I'm gonna have chai. So this is my next look number 3. I know. I think I look nice too. We are going towards the beach right now. And it's almost sunset. Let's go. Guys, chalo.
ट्रायपॉड नको ट्रायपॉड कशाला ट्रायपॉड हवाय नको
Let's go to the beach.
हे पुढे
Oh. I was going to bump into a hammock. Such a beautiful view. What is this
झाडं
beach?
बाहेर आलीत ना तिथे भिंत दिसते ना तिथे फोर्ट आहे
हाँ
तिथे जायचंय
बीच या कुठले बीच आहे
हे देवदंडा बीच आहे आणि तिथे कार तिकडे नागाव बीच
इथे लिटरली कोण नाही येत वाटतं. I'm on the beach after so long.
किती आत गेलाय असं तो
है ना?
पाणी तिथपर्यंत
किधर है? क्या कर रहे हैं लोग? शेल्स चलो, I'm gonna shoot now.
अंदर.
No, it's not a wrap up for the day, but we are done with this look. We're done with this look, and we're gonna shoot the next look.
ये recording चालू नहीं है.
आहे चालू
नहीं,
आहे
ये वो
चालू
button-
आहे. See,
अरे बीच में मैं एक एंगेजमेंट
So
चालू
we're gonna
करा,
go
बेचारे अंकल ने कैमरा ओपन करके रखा था, वो रिकॉर्डिंग का बटन नहीं चला और फ्रंट पेज पे वही खड़े थे. अरे यार, तो क्या
but
एंगेजमेंट.
this was a fun shoot. I mean, I think I've got 2-3 good clicks. Let's see.
2-3.
तुम लोग ना
तू इधर
क्या किया?
तूने मार डाला, तूने चिपकली को मार डाला.
नहीं रे.
सच अ मर्डरर यू आर.
No, she's not dead.
शी इज डेड. मर गई वो. चिपकली को मर्डरर मार दिया तूने, चिपकली को मार दिया. वाह.
तेरे को चाहिए
नहीं,
कि मैं वापस उसको लेके आऊँ?
मार दिया उसने. अभी क्या डर चलो चिपकली को मार दिया.
ये ऊपर और एक चिपकली है कॉर्नर में.
हाँ
नहीं गया.
दरवाजे पे और एक
देखो कैसे डर रहे हैं.
उसको तुमने मार डाला.
बाहर की साइड है.
तेजा ने उसको मार डाला. सही वो किलर लिजर्ड होके.
बाहर की साइड है वो.
अब तो हम लोग डर रहे हो. अभी क्या करें? ये इधर कॉर्नर में. हाँ हाँ.
मर्डर.
गेली. हाँ, एक्चुअली मर्डर हो गया उसका. शिट.
हुआ था मैंने. तेजा ने मार डाला उसको. मुझे पता है.
I killed a lizard. I'm so sorry. अरे माझ्या बॅगेत पडेल. थांबा. Okay, I found another one. इथे अजून एक आहे. नहीं रे बाबा. जा.
बंद था ना सब.
हाँ.
मैं क्या बाहर
गया.
मेरा बैग चेक कर.
अरे नहीं है बाबा. So this is my next look and यहाँ पे लाइट चला गया है completely. But we are going and gonna sit at this bonfire and take pictures.
and fire.
Chalo, let's go. Let me show you guys. Bonfire time. Good morning. Look at this view. It's so beautiful, foggy, and we are ready to move to the fort. So I'm not yet going to reveal the look. I'll reveal it once we reach there. I'm wearing a really nice dress today and I love the makeup already. So I'll see you guys when I reach the fort. It's very cold. So we're walking towards the fort. What is the name of the fort, Ravi? Revdanda Fort. Here we come. So we're here. We have to go थोड़ा सा ऊपर. Look at this fort. I'm coming to a fort. I don't even remember the last time I went. I think 5, 6, 7 years back or 10 years back or something. I don't know. Look at this beauty. So I'm wearing a really
अबे बाल
cute
ठीक
top.
कर.
It's okay, we'll fix it.
इसको सबसे ज्यादा ठंडी पैर में लग
I
रही
love it, guys.
है. यानी ठंडी होती लगती.
I think it looks crazy. I'll catch you guys after the shoot. Now we'll do
नाश्ता
curls and
करेंगे
all.
तब तक चार्ज करेंगे.
हाँ, curls and all we'll do. Then we'll change and सीधा go on the beach. place. Then 12 बजे तक शूट करते, 12 बजे से 1:30 तक विल टेक रेस्ट. थोड़ा धूप रहेगा ना. So we just got done with this look. Chedu. And I'm super happy with my pictures. Very happy. Let's go back and change to the next one. So we are just done with 2 looks and it's around 9:30 right now, like around 10 a.m. Oh, we have a long way to go. I'm so happy with today's shoot. So near this fort, people come for so many people have been coming for their wedding shoots and all of that, pre-wedding shoots. It's amazing. I'm so glad that I got to come here and explore this beautiful place, Revdanda.
Revdanda.
So I'm really very sleepy and tired, and Monica is doing my hair. Before we do our next shoot. Thank you, Monica, for cooperating.
Welcome.
Next look for the day is this. So we are going on the beach again, and it's going to be a sexy look. See you all after the shoot. We are done with this look now, and it's time to change for the next one. Stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys the final look in next few seconds. And voila! This is how I look. This is the dress. I'm in love with this dress. And I'm wearing heels. I know. Thanks a lot. I'm done with this look. And I removed my earrings. And we're heading to my village. We might go to my village, might not. Depends on the plans. But we are leaving Revdanda. It was a really good 2-day shoot experience. So we had stopped for evening lunch. We didn't have lunch in the afternoon, and we are heading towards my native place just to do Reiki. Nice food. Nice place. If you see this is a mango wadi. You can see so many mango trees. Yay, we are on the way to my native place and it looks so gorgeous. And we finally reached my nanny's house. Hi, Appa.
When did you come?
I came yesterday.
Huh?
I'm taking a video. नानी कुठे आहे शेतावर बाय अप्पा
अच्छा बाय. बाय.
इथून थांब ना आई आणि मम्मीचं सेम गाव आहे हा हे आईचं घर आहे वेलकम टू शाहपूर अगं आधी कधी येणार? संपलं माझं पण काम संपलं आता. That's my nanny. असं माझ्या फ्रेंड्सना दाखवायला आले. वाव, मी यावेळेला कधीच नव्हते आले गावी. किती छान वाटतं.
आधी आलीस तर भाताची रात असते. आधी यायला पाहिजे. मग अशी आल्याशी तर झोडता येताना आज दिसल्याशी
So she's separating the grain.
अगोदरच निघला नंबर 3च काढला पहिला जिकर घ्यायला का म्हणतो बघ.
This is how they do it.
भरला पाहिजे ना त्याच्यात घेऊन जरा
और है मतलब अच्छा वो सब क्लीन करने का है. यहाँ पे लोग खोलते हैं बंद करते हैं, खोलते हैं बंद करते हैं. बाय बाबा. बाय जी. नाही, गाडी आम्ही नानीकडे लावली. त्यांना मला जरा शेत दाखवायचं होतं नानीचं. हा, तिकडे जाऊन आलो. हा. बाय बाबा, सी यू. बाय, टेक केअर. ये तू घरी. हा हा. Hi guys, so the day is over, the shoot is done, and I met my grandparents after a really long time. I'm happy returning back home. So I hope you guys love my video, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram on ambitious.aries. And yeah, I'm going to put my shoot pictures soon on my Insta handle. So thank you for watching my video. Bye.